In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manually add one contact to Smartsheet. First, you will want to make sure you are logged into your Smartsheet account. Once you are on the main screen, take a look toward the bottom left corner of the interface. You are looking for your profile or account icon. This icon is usually there so you can access personal settings and related tools without interrupting your work area. Go ahead and click that profile or account icon now. After you click the icon, a menu should appear. In that menu, find the option labeled My Smartsheet Contact. This area is specifically meant for managing contacts that are connected to your Smartsheet account. Click on My Smartsheet Contact so you can open the contact management view. This step matters because it takes you directly to the place where Smartsheet expects you to add new contact entries. Now that you have opened your contacts area, you should see the section where you can add a new person. Look for the button labeled Add. It may be located near the top or alongside the contact list, depending on your screen size and layout. Click Add to begin the process of creating a new contact record. This will prepare the form or input field where you can provide the contact information. Next, you will need to type the person's email address. When you click Add, the interface should place the cursor into a text field designed for contact entry. Type the email address for the person you want to add. Make sure you enter it carefully, since email addresses must be exact for Smartsheet to correctly recognize and associate the contact. Once you have typed the email address, you will be ready to submit it. Press Enter on your keyboard. This confirmation tells Smartsheet to process the new contact and add it to your contact list. In many interfaces, pressing Enter works the same way as clicking a Submit or Confirm action, so it is an important finishing step. After you press Enter, take a quick moment to observe what changes on the screen. You should see the contact being added or updated in the contact list, or at least see a new entry appear. If there is any status message or small confirmation indicator, that is the system letting you know the contact was created successfully. If the contact list does not refresh instantly, just give the page a moment and look for the new entry. That is the whole process for adding one contact manually in Smartsheet. You used your profile icon to reach the correct contact area, selected the option to manage contacts, started the add action, entered the person's email address, and submitted it by pressing Enter. That covers everything you need to know.